Hello Rockstar, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for a means of transforming your lifestyle by using organic products and getting paid for it, this is the channel for you, and you need to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post valuable content. Now in today's video I am going to show you exactly how you can make 10,000 US dollars a week with my company. I partner with this amazing manufacturing giant in China that manufactures daily care products, personal care products, and lots more products. And what they are asking you is simply use their brand and get paid for it. Now, if this is the first time, my name is Obapa Ekuajechi and I am a journalist. So let's go straight to today's video. Now, how do you make 10,000 US dollars from home every week? You see, Nestle Ghana is a very brilliant company. It's a very amazing company. You see, it manufactures products and it gets these products that they have manufactured to the hinterlands body to use this product. Now, how do they do that? When they manufacture the product, they bring the product to a country and it is distributed in a process so that every nook and cranny gets to use the product. This is synonymous to my organization, which also manufactures products and distributes the products. Now, everybody who finds themselves in the distribution chain is rewarded for becoming a distributor. There are three types of stockists with this organization. The first is the country stockist. The country stockist is the immediate person who stores products when the company imports products into the country. Country stockists invest 100,000 US dollars into this organization and you get products worth 100,000 US dollars. When you invest 100,000 US dollars, you get a total of 100,000 worth of products that you would have to distribute nationwide. Now, the company pays you the same amount of money that you invested in this manufacturing process. Aside that, you earn 10% of the sales generated in the country into your bank account. So if you invest $100,000 and there was a profit of $120,000, you get 10% of the $120,000 that is generated in the country. Aside that, you get 4% of your team work, of other people's effort. So if half of 30 million population gave you a profit of 150,000, the company is going to pay you 4% of that amount. You automatically become a board member of the management team in the country. There are instant incentives that are given to you by the organization. This includes a car award and 3 to 4 slots of all expense paid international trip for yourself and maybe your team members. You also win a Chinese trip to meet with the CEO of the company. You see, you are supplying products to people in the country. Therefore, as people buy the products which are very quality, you get back the amount of money you invested in the organization. So you get your return on investment in products. So in this case, you earn just the amount of money you invested in the organization through sales. Now you invested, the organization gave you products, and you and your family alone cannot use 100,000 worth of products. Therefore, you decide to distribute it to other people, and this you get back this amount of money right through sales. The company agreed to pay you on the amount of money that you invested. So the company gives you 10% to 15% minimum on your return on investment. Now this is for the country stockist. If you are the top as a country stockist, you need to get to the regions. Ghana has 16 regions. So how do the products get to the 16 regions? That is where we have the regional stockist. Now, the regional stockist is responsible for distributing products in the region. The regional stockist invest 50,000 US dollars, and of course they take back 50,000 US dollars of products. Aside you investing 50,000 US dollars into this, what you can alternatively do is to provide 25 VIP to become a regional stockist. Now the regional stock enjoy 20% profit of the amount generated in the region. So if Eastern region generated 12,000 US dollars, you earn 20% of the 12,000 US dollars straight into your bank account. You also get 8% on the sales and orders that were placed. So if Eastern region placed 30,000 worth of sales or orders, you take 8% of 30,000 US dollars. Just as the country stockist earns about 3 to 4 all expense paid trips, the regional stockist also earns 3 slots of trips to the island of Zanzibar, which costs $2.5 million. Now, if you do not want all these trips, you are given this in real cash straight into your bank account. 15 to 30% of the amount you invested is paid to you in 4 weeks of you investing. So you invested with 50,000 US dollars. The organization pays you back within 4 weeks the 50,000 US dollars. That is aside your trips to Zanzibar, your 8% of profit generated through sales, and the 20% that you are earning. So that is different from that. Again, you get your money back when products are sold. You see, we all know that these fingers are not equal. We have the thumb, which is slightly shorter than the rest. So the organization makes it possible for people who do not have huge cash to make huge cash with a little. If you cannot become a country stockist or a regional stockist, the organization gives you the chance for you to be a local or area stockist. To become a local stockist, you need only 4 VIPs, so you become a local stockist. The alternative is 10,000 US dollars in investment. Now, mind you, If you invest this money, you get that same amount of money in a form of cash and also qualify for an international trip. And this trip is all expense paid by the organization. You get 5% on the return on investment in 4 weeks straight into your bank account by the company. You get back 5% on return on investment by the organization. Rockstar, I know I have provided you with value. Subscribe to this channel and also hit on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post valuable content. My name again is Obapa Ekwia Jeche, and I'll see you when I see you. See you.